What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button that's listed down below in case you guys have to like this type of content. Today's video, we are eating some Burger King chicken sandwiches. We've got two of them. We have a french fry. I had another french fry, but I gave it to my dad and my son to split because I got them Burger King too, because I'm not the type of person who can just buy myself food and not other people food. I have to buy myself food and buy other people food, or else I get, I feel bad. I feel bad. So, I got them a Whopper Jr. for my dad, and I got my son an 8-piece chicken nugget. So, and then they split the fries between each other. But, yeah, that's what happened. Now, normally I don't like french fries, but for some reason Burger King's french fries, I don't know if it's because they're thick, if it's because they're not entirely greasy like McDonald's is, if they're not salted down. But I actually like Burger King's french fries. Now, I'm probably not going to eat the whole thing of fries. I may not. I don't know. Because french fries still aren't my favorite thing, but Burger King fries are very edible for me. So, there's that. But what I really want to get into is to get into the chicken sandwiches that I have. Because these bad boys are so good. I got lettuce and mayonnaise on them. Piece of lettuce on that side. They're so juicy. They're so juicy. So good. I cannot even begin to explain how juicy these are. Like, you would think for a deep fried chicken sandwich that it would be dry and stick to the roof of your mouth or scrape the roof of your mouth, but no. These chicken sandwiches are very, very juicy. They're extremely juicy, and I love them. I about said the M word for wet, which I know a lot of people don't like that word. I about said it myself. I will try to refrain from saying it. I've always found that to be a weird word that people just don't like being said. Like, they cringe at it. But I will try to refrain from saying it with this sandwich. Now, I know this isn't a lot of food, but I myself don't eat a lot of food. I'm not somebody who can down an entire bowl of pasta, or, can eat 12 donuts, or, anything like that. I eat a reasonable amount of food for myself. And I know that sometimes that's unappealing to mukbangers. Like, some mukbangers, they think they have to eat, like, the entire thing of food. I've never been that way. Like, if it's a small portion of food, sure, I'll eat the whole thing. But if it's, like, super duper big, I can't eat it. I won't force myself to overeat. I eat what I can eat and be happy with it. I want to know how something that seems deep fried like this can stay so juicy. So good. It's so, so good. So, let me finish chewing that up because I don't want to talk with food in my mouth. So, a lot of you guys said that you guys want more conversations during mukbangs, which is totally cool, totally awesome, totally great, totally fine. The only thing is that I am never really prepared to talk a whole lot when I eat, especially if the food is really good. Excuse me. I don't know why. I just don't normally do that. So, during these next upcoming mukbangs, I'm going to try to talk as much as I can, but without sounding like I'm just rambling on. That was not a full thing of pop. That was only half a thing of pop that I had already started drinking. I was like, you know what? Let's just finish it up for the mukbang. This is a new thing of pop. Obviously, I don't have to tell you guys that. You guys know exactly what a new thing of pop looks like. Some ASMR for you. So what to talk about? Oh, I know. Since we're eating chicken sandwiches, I can talk to you guys about when I was a kid. I used to love going to the next door neighbor's house. Well, they weren't exactly next door to my grandparents, but they were they were like 2 houses down from my grandparents, and they had a chicken farm. And I was very, very little, and this was, of course, out in the country because you can't really have a chicken farm in the city. So, when I was little, I used to love going over and looking at the chickens. Well, one day, the rooster got out of the cage, and I was walking across the backyard, my grandparents' backyard, and I looked over and I seen that they were chasing the rooster in the neighbor's yard, so the yard like right next door to us. And they were trying to corner the rooster and everything, and I decided to go over and try to help. Well, little teeny tiny 7-year-old me, who was not much bigger than the rooster decided that I was going to be its prey, and started chasing me around the yard as as I was running from the rooster. People were trying to catch the rooster to keep the rooster from getting me, and I was running from the rooster. So it was a big, like, three Scrooges episode, like where the 3 of them would just run around chasing each other. It was basically that. Did I say Scrooges? I meant Stooges. 3 Stooges. My goodness. Oh my gosh. How rude of me. So 7-year-old me, who thought she could help, actually became the victim of a rooster. And I mean, I love roosters. I love chickens. I mean, I actually have the Harvest Moon. It's a video game, Harvest Moon. The chicken tattooed on my thigh from Harvest Moon. That's how much I love roosters and chickens, and just the bird in general. Okay. Even after that traumatic, and I mean a totally traumatic experience, I still love roosters and chickens to this day. Still love them to this day. It's got 3 fries stuck together. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little story time. If you did, I'll have to think up of more story times to do. This is the last chicken sandwich. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. I also, back before my grandmother had her 3 strokes that she did, this was back when I was super little, we would go to Burger King. It's just a little fond memory of mine. We used to go to Burger King after school, and I would get 2 of these chicken sandwiches, and I would eat them because they're so good. They are by far better than McDonald's chicken sandwiches any day of the week. But yeah, they are extremely. Uh-oh, sneeze? No, 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 no. Okay, we're good. We're good. I thought I was gonna sneeze, and I was like, no, don't do that, don't do that. Oh my gosh. Oh, excuse me. Oh, me oh my. Whew. We're almost done, everybody. Do you guys actually like eat food while you guys watch me, or do you guys just tend to watch me just to? Excuse me, my goodness. Tend to watch me just to watch me. It's always something I've wondered. Because like when I eat a mukbang, when I eat, I normally don't watch other people do a mukbang. Normally, what happens is I'm watching somebody do a mukbang, and then I get super hungry, so I turn the mukbang off, and then I go get something to eat. That's normally what happens with me. But I know like a lot of people like to actually like grab food and eat with said person. Um, so like, what do you guys do? What do you guys do with me? Very curious about that. Very curious. You guys notice how I really haven't touched the fries? It's because I ate one at a time, except for that one that had like 3 stuck together. I don't like fries. I just don't. I don't know. I just don't. It's weird. Like, I like baked potatoes. I don't like french fries. It's weird. It's really weird. Also, sorry if you can hear my son in there, but he's watching his YouTube. Sorry if you could hear him for a while. I just now realized that he's in there being kind of loud. But, you know, when you're a parent, it is what it is. So, I'm almost done. Mm. I don't think I can eat it anymore. I guess I'll give the fries to my dad. My dad will definitely destroy the fries. We have this thing in our family where we don't let food go to waste. If one of us can't eat it, then like the other one will. And my dad is like a freaking black hole. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. Like, if there's something that I can't eat, or if there's something that my mom can't eat, or my boy can't eat, we'll be like, hey, Papa, hey, Dad, you want this? Excuse me. And he will eat it. I have seen this man eat, like, this man is only, like, 218 pounds or something like that. And he will consume, like, 5 full plates at Golden Corral before he is going to the dessert bar. And then he's getting dessert. Like, that man can pile it down. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you guys happen to like this video, please make sure to give it a big, big, big thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button that's listed down below. Hit that bell notification, turn on notifications so you guys know my future upload or video. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.